Hi guys, what do? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about why you should start to invest. I know there's like a lot of reasons why you can't, you don't have the money right now, you're going through something, you'll get to it later, well, I'm not in a good spot, whatever the case may be. I'm going to explain to you why today should be the reason why you literally start investing. No excuses. Alright guys, so before I get into the video on why you should start investing today, right now, this exact minute, would you consider subscribing to my YouTube channel? No, just hit the subscribe button. No, turn the thumbs up button blue. I really appreciate it. Just by you doing it, you really help my channel, so thank you in advance. But we talking about why you should start investing right now. Like we talk like right now. I know a lot of people thinking, I ain't got the money for that. Only rich people invest. Bro, I worry about this stuff later. I'm just trying to get myself straight right now. No, you hear it all. You hear it all. But my reply to that is this. Why not today? Why not? Oh, I ain't got the money. You can start investing with as little as $5. Oh, well, I ain't got it. You sure? Pretty sure you bought some days that you didn't need. Like being straight truthful. I'm pretty positive you did. Yeah. So the reasons why you should invest. The number one reason you should invest is the earlier you start investing, the better. Well, why is that? Compound interest. You have to give your money time to grow. If you don't give your money time to grow, there's just literally no way. Like, you're not gonna save your way to $1 million. You're not gonna save your way into early retirement. You have to start making your money work for you. How do you do that? You start to invest in real estate, stocks, yourself. No, there's a lot of things that you can invest in, but you need to start today. I already know what your next rebuttal is gonna be. Well, I ain't all that tech savvy. I don't know nothing about all that stock stuff. I'm here. That's what the subscribe button for. That's what the like button for. That's why I have my Instagram in the description. You have any questions, I answer them to the best of my knowledge. More than likely, I probably already tried it, and I can give you my honest opinion about it. Truthfully, just being truthful. But you won't know that until you hit that subscribe button. And you also wouldn't know what to do until you dabble and start to at least dip a toe into the world of investing. Like I said, you don't just have to be Shaquille O'Neal rich, to start investing. You don't have to just throw like wads of cash at everything that people say buy. I'm talking genuine investing for the long term. Now, if you want to invest in the meme stocks and in the short term, yeah, you need a lot of money. I mean, especially if you want to make a lot of money, of course. But if you're trying to just passively grow you some money, so therefore, as you get yourself together, you can start to really flourish and see your money grow and see, you actually gaining wealth. You do not need a lot of money for this. You just need to start, because if you start today $10, say you invest another $10 next month, you just did $20. It's just that simple. And if you did $10 every month over the course of a year, that's $120. Believe it or not, they can buy you one. I think it's one. You'd be just shy of one share of Johnson & Johnson. I'm just saying. Just to show you that your money work for you, one share of Johnson & Johnson will pay you over $1. Yeah, bet you didn't know that, huh? And I was just, well, what would I spend $120 to make $1? That's the point. You start making your money work for you. You and I both know $120 is not going to change the world. It's not going to change your life. It can most definitely help you, but it's not life changing. So don't start saying, "Why would I spend 120 to make $1?" It's $1 you wouldn't have. And the thing about investing is, you invested the money. You didn't spend it. You still have that 120. You just got that 120 plus that extra dollar. That's what investing is. Don't think of investing as you losing money. Think of investing as a way for you to save your money and then start making money for you. Change your mindset, and thus you will start to see the bigger picture why you need to start investing today. Like right now. And if you don't know how to start investing, like I said, subscribe to my channel. But you can download a plethora of investment apps that can help you start investing. I would recommend Robinhood. I have a link for that down in the description. M1 Finance, I really like them. I will leave a link for them in the description. Public is a new one that just came out where it's like a social media platform. So give you like a vibe of little Facebook, but it's just people who invest in. So somebody like say myself who pop up and say, "Hey y'all, I just bought a share of OKE." Now you know I'm buying OKE, and if it's another OKE person or investor out there, they may comment, and thus a conversation will start up about OKE. This way you're in a room, well, not technically an actual room, but a metaphorical room with other like-minded people who are also trying to invest. So you can ask and get answered all the questions that you want. Even if it's not for me, I mean, just going to their platform can introduce you to a ton of investors who can help you. Like I said again, link in the description, public. Now, by you signing up for any one of those brokerages that's in the description, you already are going to start making money. How so? Their referral links. If you sign up for Robinhood, I get a free stock and you get a free stock. If you sign up for M1 Finance, they give you like $20, $30. If you sign up for Public, they also will give you a free stock of your choosing up to like $1 amount. Just by you signing up, you are already starting to invest and make money, because that's the name of the game. Nobody gets rich from saving money. That's literally impossible. Even if you made $40,000 a year, you do $40,000 a year, you do that number times 30 years. I think that's around what, maybe close to $1 million. But think of how much stuff you bought over the course of your life. Yeah, you made $1 million in your lifetime, but you won't have that $1 million because you got just lifestyle, expenses, cars, food, family, kids, feeding yourself. Just you made $1 million in your lifetime, but you're not actually getting to have $1 million to enjoy the finer things in life if you choose to do so. But by investing just some of that money, you too can become a millionaire. Because truthfully enough, if you invest $500 a month, $500 a month, over the course of a year, over the course of 30 years, you could be a millionaire. Yeah, it's just that simple. I know what you're thinking, well, what if I don't want to wait that long to be a millionaire? If you don't want to wait that long to be a millionaire, maybe you should start investing today. See what I'm saying? The more you invest, the more money you are allowing to work for you, which will in turn make you more money. The longer you put it off, it will never happen. So you want to say, hey, I want to get out the hood. I want to do better. I want to change my life. I want to have something that's truly mine. Start investing. Don't wait until you're 30. Don't wait until you're 40. Don't wait until you're 3 years from retirement. Start as early as possible. So that means start now. That's the answer. Start now. I started truly investing probably 2 years ago. I wish I would have started earlier. Where I would be at if I would have started earlier, I can't even fathom. So to anybody out there, you can start when you're 30, 40, and 50. Just gonna be a little bit more hard work. But the key is always to start as early as possible. So with that being said, early as possible will be now. Pick up your phone, open up your app store, go into Google Play, type in Robinhood, type in M1 Finance, type in Fidelity, type in Public, or scroll down in the description, click on one of those links, and while you're down there, subscribe to my channel. Be nice to me, thank you. Hit the like button also, love you. Start investing, because there's literally no way that in the future things are going to be cheaper. When has that ever happened in life? Do you truly believe in the future things will be cheaper? Do you truly believe in the future things will be easier for us? They're not. You need to start paving your way now. You need to set yourself up to be ahead of the herd, to be in a fighting position. Start investing now. Houses are not going to get cheaper in the future. I don't see it. You don't see it. I don't see it. It's crazy. The stock prices aren't going to get cheaper in the future. Cryptocurrency not going to be cheap in the future. The food that you're eating not going to be cheaper in the future. So why are you not investing your money? Invest your money. Start now. It will help you in the long run. Allow compound interest to skyrocket you to financial freedom. Yeah, it's going to be a little hard. It's going to be a little tedious. Of course, it's going to be time consuming. But at the end of the day, what is easy in this world? Nothing. What is easy is you click on those links in the description and depositing $20. I'm just saying, start today. But that's all I'm going to say. The demand for everything is only going to go up. So do yourself a favor, just start investing. Like I said, those links are in the description for Robinhood, M1 Finance, Public, and I'm also going to leave the link for Fidelity. It's not a referral link. It's just a link to Fidelity because I actually like that brokers also. But check these things out. Sign up. Start investing. Like I said, you have any questions, ask them in the comments. If you're too shy, hey, my Instagram down there, you can send me a DM. I'll respond. But that's all I got to say about the matter. Hope you have a good day. It's your boy Exia, and I'm out.